Installing a drive cage assembly. Align the drive backplane with the corresponding guide pins on the drive cage, and then install the drive backplane. Fasten the screws to secure the drive backplane. Reinstall the drive cage assembly in the node, and then reconnect all the required cables to the drive backplane. If necessary, reinstall all the drives and drive fillers in the node. Make sure that all the required cables are routed and connected correctly, and then reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the node into the chassis.